George Station. Good afternoon, passengers. Once again, there is no service this weekend. Pardon me. There is no service today between St. George and St. Andrew Station. On arrival at St. George Station, the train will be out of service and turning back northbound towards Vaughan Metro Center. All passengers are asked to please exit the train. Passengers wishing to continue their journey further southbound, please make your way to the Lourdes Airport line 2 downstairs at St. George. Eastbound to Yonge, where you can reacquire line 1 line service to Union Station. Once again, there is no service at this time today between St. George and St. Andrew stations. This train will be going out of service at St. George Station. All passengers are asked to please exit the train. Please ensure you have all of your belongings with you before you leave the train. Thank you for your cooperation. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Arriving at St. George Station. This is a terminal station. Change here for line 2. Doors will open on the left.